What's going on, guys? My name is Stephanie, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things that you can do to start bringing in more customers to your business. I'm going to keep this video brief because I don't want to take up too much of your time. I found that when it comes to the digital world, a lot of business owners are just too busy running their business to learn how the internet can actually benefit them. And sometimes the only hesitation they have in hiring someone is they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. So if by the end of this video you like what you see and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve, just shoot me a message and we can chat. Or if you want to just take these tips I give you and implement them yourself, that's totally cool. So the 3 things I want to talk to you about today are content, citations, and backlinks. So when we're looking at your site, you have a really nice website, by the way. You just don't have quite enough content on your home page. Google likes to see at least 1,500 words of keyword-rich content. So when we're looking at South Shore, they have quite a bit of content on their home page, over 1,500 words. And then JCB, they don't have very much content, but they do have the age of their site going for them. So that's all very beatable. The next thing I want to talk about are citations. So when we search for a roofing company, Savannah, Georgia, the first thing we'll see is the paid ads. The next is the map pack. And then below it is the organic section. And how you rank in the map pack is by adding citations, which is also known as naps, which is your name, address, and phone number, to different directories throughout the internet. And a site that I like to use to check that is whitespark.ca. So we see right here that JCB has 50 citations and South Shore has 77. If we were to do your citations for you, we would just go ahead and add 350 so we can just beat out your competition by a landslide. The last thing I want to talk to you about are backlinks. So backlinks, simply put, is basically site A is pointing to site B. Therefore, site A is acting like the link juice, giving site B more authority in Google's eyes. So it's almost like a popularity contest. And there's a little bit more to it than that. So the link juice you get works a lot more effective if you have relative sites linking back at you. So say you had a roofing site in California linking back to your website. That's going to be a lot more effective than, say, Pizza Hut, because it's, Google knows it's not a relative link. And so backlinks are how we rank here in the organic section. So when we're looking at your website, we can see that you have 11 referring domains with 52 backlinks. When we look at South Shore, they have 67 referring domains with a whopping 1,800 backlinks. And then we look at JCB, they have 107 referring domains with 489 backlinks. And I will say that, not any backlinks will do. So there's spammy ones and then there's quality ones. And right here we can see that this would be the power and this is the trust. And we want those to be very close to each other. And you definitely want trust. That is how you will rank with Google. So when we're looking at South Shore, they also have very good numbers. And when we get to your site, we see that your backlinks don't have any trust. So that's something we'll definitely want to work on. And, don't be disheartened that you have 52 and South Shore has 1,800. That's all very beatable with time. So just to recap, we want to add or have at least 1,500 words of keyword-rich content on your homepage. You want to go ahead and get, I say 350 citations, so you can go ahead and beat your competition by a landslide. And then you want to get powerful, trustworthy backlinks pointing back at your website. All right, that is it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. My info is here. It is info@peerlessstrategies.com. Phone number is 912-661-3473. Thanks so much for watching.